Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel with SVE Aesthetics. Today we're going to be doing how I wax my eyebrows. So I want to show you guys how I wax my eyebrows. If you can see, this is what they're looking like at the moment. So today I'm going to be using this wax stick right here. This is what I'm going to use to apply the wax. Then after that, I'm going to be using these little, I think this is, it's like wax strips, yeah, to take the hair off. Then I'm going to be using a spoolie to brush my brows. Then I'm going to be using this tweezers to pluck any hairs that needs to be tweezed. And then I might use scissors. I use these depending on like if I have like my brows are long or anything like that. Then I'm going to be using this Nufree wax. I really can't show you what that looked like because it's like a whole pot. But I'll show you guys. I'll leave it in the description. Okay, and then I'm going to be using this Finipil for a bacterial cream after I wax my brows. Alright, so let's get started. So first thing we're going to do is brush these babies. So you brush them up like that, because I like to start at the bottom first. Then take my wax. I gotta use my little mirror. So I'm just kind of gonna like take it. I'm following a natural. Basically, you apply the wax like you would apply and so this wax that I'm using, this Nufree wax, it does not like so basically it doesn't harden. So like I can leave this on for like a very long time, and as soon as I put the waxing strip on, it will still come off. I'm just taking it up just a little closer because I want a little bit more to come off. This is going to be quite different because, well, as you guys can see, here it is right there. We're going to take a little waxing strip. I guess we'll take this one right here. We'll take this one. Then we're going to apply it. Just apply it like that. Then I'm going to just press. I usually just press, or I press in the opposite of the same hair direction. So if my hair go this way, I'm going to press that way and rub and press. But when I pull it off, I'm going to pull the opposite direction. So I'm going to pull in the direction my hair do not go so that the hair can come off. Because if I pull in the same direction my hair is not going to come off. Or a little bit might, but not very much because you're doing it in the same direction. So when you wax, you want to pull your strip in the opposite direction of your hair growth. So then you just do that, and you hold your skin taut and pull. That hurt it. So you see, I'm not done yet, you guys. I'm just showing you. So sometimes you might still have a little residue left, so you just go back in and apply that wax strip and you pull. Do the same thing until you get all of it. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna do the top part. When I do that, so after I'm done waxing my bottom lash, I like to brush them down so that I get the unwanted hair that I don't want. And I come in, I get more wax. So this is what it looks like with the wax. So there's many ways you can do this. You could go up, you could go up like that and come down. See how I did that? Or you can just go like that. There's many ways. The goal is to get, and you guys, it's important to, when you do wax your brows, make sure you put some type of antibacterial cream on your face after you're done waxing, because you don't want to risk getting an infection, definitely if you wear makeup. And so let's say you're going to a spa and you're about to go get a facial, but you want your eyebrows waxed. Well, I would recommend that you, I am a licensed esthetician, so I'm saying this, I'm recommending this because I kind of got the knowledge to back it up. But I would recommend getting your brows waxed first, just because you kind of don't want to do it on like exfoliated skin. You might have more sensitivity. So just get your brows waxed first and then proceed on with your facial. Okay, you guys, so I went on ahead and did the other eye. This is the look. This is the final look of my brow. This is your first time, I would say watch YouTube videos like you're watching this one, or just watch this one and learn, like really learn how to wax your brows, take notes. You don't always have to tweeze after. Sometimes the wax do the job, but yeah, for me, as long as you know they look clean cut, they look perfect in my eyes, this is what it is. Okay, you guys, thanks for watching my video. And again, this is how I wax my brows. And if you like this, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel down below. Make sure you click on your notification bell to be reminded of videos that I post. I'm just really, you know, getting my foot in the door, you guys. Lord willing, I want to be able to post more videos. So, yeah. If you like this video, thumb it up, and I will keep producing. All right.